Number 540.
540. You prayed for an interim order of injunction.
Yes.
By which order it was refused?
By the order dated 22nd July of the Junior Division.
Yes, that is why. That certified copy.
That was given in the miss appeal.
But the rule is you have to, I don't know.
No, I have the certified copy along with me, but it was not told by the filing section to file.
Not the filing.
Only the challenge.
All the filing section will tell. I am not expecting you must be knowing for that.
I have it with me, my lord.
Give it.
Yes, my lord.
There you go. Wanting certified copy.
Only the miss appeal
Wait.
order.
Have you got a copy of it with you?
Yes, my lord. Order dated 22nd July.
Wanting certified copy of the.
Suit, the prima facie case is about that.
Don't jump into prima facie case.
Suit
Tell me
is for declaration and permanent
what
injunction.
kind of declaration you are.
Declaration of my right to claim to the title, interest, and injunction against.
Where is the plaint? Where is the plaint?
Plaint I have.
Tell me part of the revisional application. Plaint.
Injunction application is part of the revisional application.
And I want to see the plaint, copy of the plaint.
Late, my lord, I am not currently having. I can in the next hearing give you. I thought it's only injunction application.
As you said, the prima facie case.
Yes. But same, my lord. The plaint and the injunction application exactly same.
Not that civil court is go by a very good technicalities. It requires years to gather it together. Therefore, from the plaint, the prima facie case would be gathered. Therefore, I need to see because you are on interim order of injunction. What kind of injunction you have prayed?
Temporary injunction.
What kind of?
To restrain the defendants to enter the suit property and to alienation, sell out or.
How they are interested in the suit property?
They are the new purchasers. They have fraudulently purchased the suit property. And this fraud activity has been continued by the influentials since the death of my father in 1998. My father died in 1998 and from 1999, this evil nexus of people, they targeted our house and they dispossessed us 10 times. 10 times I along with my widow mother and sister had been dispossessed of my own house. And my lord, if you kindly have a look at the impugned order dated 6th August, you shall see the pen of the district judge surprisingly stops prior to mentioning of the inquiry held by the district register. The only document that they are claiming is the sale deed registered in.
Who has executed it? Sale.
The respondents in my this revision.
From whom they have purchased this?
They are the third purchaser. They have purchased from Onude. They have purchased from construction company. It was sold to construction company. We have suffered the torments of the construction company since 2018.
No,
they have broken my walls.
Your father was the owner of the property.
No, my father was. Everything is fraud. That's what I had written in the.
Your father had a title over the property.
My father is the only son. He is the legal heir. I am the legal heir. And by forged will, the entire property was given from my grandfather to grandmother. But no right of alienation was given. Neither my grandmother was the absolute owner.
But
hence,
this was you contested your father contested the suit.
My father died.
Who contested the
Nobody contested.
Probate.
This is the first time I am entering the court.
Probate.
Nobody contested.
You did not.
I have the probate copy. Your lordship would like to see the certified copy. I just got it last week.
Slowly try to get into the fact.
Yes.
It was whose property?
The land was bought by my grandfather. But my father, being the eldest brother, my father had two younger sisters. Both of them married. So my father constructed the house with his income and my mother's income. But as things happen in the family, he never thought that I should put it in my name. He put it in my grandfather's name, mutated in KMC.
Very well.
Then after the marriage, my father's two younger sisters, they started conspiracy. They already had another property at Behala.
This is not the issue.
So they forged the will.
By virtue of a forged will, it was entire property was given to whom?
To my grandmother.
To your grandmother. The grandmother's will was been probated.
Probated. And probate, what was in the prayer? That grandmother has
No,
to
wait.
obey the will.
Wait. Now, in the probate proceeding, your father was alive when the probate was taken out.
Probate was granted in the year, I shall state you the exact year and date, 1997.
Your
Yes,
father was alive.
alive. And
Alive.
his signature was forgedly taken. He did not know about probate.
Don't be so fast. Then in the probate, your father was cited.
No, some consent was taken. He was not present in the court.
So, as
Your
he,
lordship can see the
wait,
papers.
by consent, this was granted. The probate was granted.
Yes.
Now, when he came to learn that his consent was forged
He did not came to learn.
in his lifetime,
No,
then now you have
because
challenged.
in
You
his
have,
lifetime,
have you challenged or reopened the probate proceeding?
I shall. Because
Till date, have you?
I cannot, my lord, because I cannot spend a single night in my house by sleeping. And recently, খোশ করা দেখিয়েছে টিভিতে, recently they came again, told me Januar and all the bad things. And police is not helping. Where,
No.
how should I file it? I need some peace of mind to work.
The peace of mind will not give you anything. This will not be coming from. But one thing, unless you challenge the probate on the grant of probate, title vests to the beneficiaries, first executor, then beneficiaries. If it is excluded and given to your grandmother is still alive.
No.
Now, after the death of grandmother, the grandmother also executed a will.
My lord,
Grandmother,
probate, if for the sake of this case, if I consider the probate is okay also, still in the probate itself, there was no right of alienation was given, no right to sell. Then how the property is being sold?
please concentrate on your, since you are not a lawyer, I am allowing you to too much. In my court, the time is 3 minutes.
Yes, my
Just
lord.
tell me, after the death of your grandmother, in the absence of any probate or any will, property must go to a portion. Maybe your sister of your father's father, two sisters, they will be getting a portion. Your mother and you are also entitled to get something. Have you applied for that, or have you are you or
No, before anything of that, the portion of the property is being sold by the name of the grandmother.
Oh,
In the sale deed, that's what I'm saying, my lord. In the sale deed,
grandmother has sold it.
grandmother did not sell it. Grandmother is declared as the absolute owner by the influential person. But she was
Under
not.
the probate, if the grandmother gets everything, he's the absolute.
She was.
Wait, then it has been sold to the promoters. Now, to whom it has been sold?
It has been sold to some party.
Who are they?
First party was the Onude, then construction company.
They are the parties to the suit.
No, I filed a writ petition in the January in the Honorable Calcutta High Court stating everything. Now from there, separate cases are to be made. And this is
Difficult
with
to
the
follow.
latest purchaser.
Difficult, very difficult.
It's very simple.
Not very. You may be put it in a simple way. This is not way you are putting it.
These latest
If
purchaser,
the probate stands, you cannot challenge. Without the notice to the other side, your petition cannot be. Court has only refused an interim prayer. He has directed you to sub notice.
no, it is already contested in the Junior Division Court.
But the ad interim prayer in the court is
In the first court, it is rejected on
notice upon the
contest.
respondents.
In the first
Issue upon respondents. This is an ad interim refusal. 4th September was the date fixed. What happened on 4th September? What happened?
I was waiting for
appeared?
this.
Other side did not appear.
No, I did not appear. I was waiting for this revisional
But
application.
why didn't you appear on 4th September? It is your
I
appeal.
did not serve copy. I already filed the revision application.
Does not mean. Please try to follow the procedure. The court has refused your ad interim prayer and directed to effect service. You have not taken steps for service of notice.
No.
You have to take steps. Go there and take steps. Ashun.
But then, my lord, what about the mistakes that being carried on?
That the trial court will decide. Do one thing. You serve the copy of this, but take steps in the court below. Since
I have taken. It is already rejected on contest.
are you not following?
I do not think any
Please,
further hope is
please.
there.
In the appeal court,
Yes,
you will not take steps.
I shall.
Go there, take steps.
But at least, my lord, some relief needs to be
No.
given.
Not at this stage. No, not at this stage. Ashun. The What you can do, you please serve the copy of the application, let them come. If they come, but it will delay the disposal of your appeal. I'm directing the appeal code below to expedite the disposal of the appeal. Please put in the requisite for service. It is only the ad interim order has been refused.